determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah.
What's up, T-Gang? It's your girl Tamirea, and I'm back with another video. Right now, we're about to go to the orthodontics, and I have to pick up my retainer.
That you messed up?
I didn't mess it up.
The second one?
No.
She tried to play me.
Oh, yeah, it's Takashi. Takashi. I'm at work. Yeah, this mask did not stay on me. I'm at work.
Know what she about to say. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got hot.
I just got back home from work, and now I'm finna change, and then I think I'm finna ride the 4-wheeler with CJ, y'all. Right now we're putting this thing, like it's like the container, big old container thing together. It's for our boutique that's coming soon. So y'all stay tuned.
And this is hard work, which she did not mention. Okay, it's hard work, okay?
Okay, y'all, we not done, but I have to go to training, so we just stopped where we were, and I'm finna show y'all what it looks like now. Y'all, we on the way to training, and I'm like so hungry. I got Pringles. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I think you gonna record something. Yeah, she gonna record something for me, so y'all can see. $5. Baby, I'm gonna sit that phone on some grass. Sit on some. I'll see y'all when we get there. Yeah, I just got to training. We at a park. I'm so tired. It's that hot out here. I just left training and I just changed and stuff. And now I'm about to head to the school. Yeah, this sun's so bright. Like, I know y'all can see that. Look at me. I cannot see them. Ooh.
I mean, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, whoa.
They gave me a ring.
There you go. Get your ring. There your ring. Come on, get your ring. Get your ring. All right, then.
Oh, you got your ring. Let me see your ring, girl. Ooh, bling, bling. Ooh, bling.
You want to see it, okay? All right. All right, so let me start off. Let me go ahead and bust them open. And then Tamirea. Oh. But, Macy. All right, y'all can bust them open now.
Period. Hey, girl.
Put it on it.
Hi, everybody.
I know the blog gonna miss me. It's okay, y'all can see me again. I know the blog gonna miss me in my commentary.
So we got our rings.
My ring.
You see it? She driving us home, Lord. She driving us home, Lord. Get off the road. Okay, so guys, she did not stop at that stop sign.
I did.
She just turned. She just like turned. But no, yeah, she just turned.
Y'all bling bling. Y'all see it. Don't hate. Could be a hater.
Whoa, whoa.
We're about to go to the shop and pick up some packages that came, and that's it. She just went in there to get the package or whatever. I think we're finna go home. We're probably finna go home, and I really don't know what else we're about to do. Yeah, I just take y'all with me. We just made it back home, and we're about to finish putting this together. But it's just the top, so it's not gonna take that long. Yeah, I just showered, ate, and I'm gonna watch some Netflix now. And that's the end of this video. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, and see y'all next video.